What's going on, guys? Here I have an Audi Q7 and I have Vortex Ceramic IR tint on it. You can see there is 55% tint on the windshield. And you can tell there's definitely tint on the vehicle. You can still somewhat see through it, but it is very noticeable that there is a tint on the windshield. On the side of the car, I have 20% tint in the front to match the factory rear 20% glass. So you can definitely see through the sides with the 20% tint when you get up close. From far away, it is hard to tell. Same thing with the windshield. Up close, you can definitely see through it. You can see the dashboard. You can make out that there's someone in the vehicle, but as you get further away, it's very noticeable that there is a tint, and you cannot really make out who is sitting in the front seat. So the sun is hitting this side of the car, the passenger side right now. You can see the glare of the sun right there in the front windshield. But again, 20% in the front to match the factory tint on the rear glass. On one of my other vehicles, I have 70% windshield tint, and on that car you really can't tell there's anything on it. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below to that video if you're interested in seeing that 70% ceramic tint, but you really can't tell at all. I felt like I went a little bit too light on that car, so on this vehicle I did 55% windshield tint, and it is pretty dark, to be honest. If you are concerned at all about getting pulled over for windshield tint, I would not recommend 55% or 50% on the windshield. I strongly do not recommend anything under 55%. I think it will be hard to see potholes, pedestrians, anything where, you know, it's dark outside. It's going to be hard to see a lot of these finer things. So again, 55% ceramic VortexIR Solar Guard tint. And if you're interested in seeing the 70%, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Check out that video. Let me give you a look inside the vehicle. So I had this car done about 3 days ago. There's the 20%, and inside the vehicle here is 55%. Very visible from the interior at night. I haven't had any problems. Again, but I've only had this for a few days, so I'll check it out, try it out. You know, if I have problems, I'll go back to that 70. 20% on the doors and 50% on the windshield. Let me sit in the back and show you guys what that looks like. So definitely no problems at all seeing out of the vehicle. So can't stress more enough, guys. If you're concerned with having tint on the windshield, definitely go with 70. If you want the dark to have the car to have a sleeker look, I think this car looks really good as is. The black on black, it looks extremely sleek. I think 55% looks really good on the vehicle, but you do chance getting pulled over a lot easier. It's very noticeable that there is something on the windshield. If you guys found the video helpful, please leave me a big thumbs up. Check out my channel for more car videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.